Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop people from tagging you on Instagram. I will show the step-by-step process, so if you want to learn, keep watching the video till the end. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you have to click on the three stripes at the top right corner. Then you have to click the settings. From here you have to click on privacy. Then you will get the tags option, so you have to click on tags. So here you will get the setting of tagging. So here the everyone can tag you, but there is another option in the below side, that's a manual approve tags option. So this is now off, so anyone can tag you directly. So if you enable or turn on the manual approve tags option, then if anyone tag you, then one approval option will come to your profile. If you approve, then that tag will add your profile. So you after turn on, you just go back. Now I'm going to my another profile where I want to see if how it appear, if anyone tag me, how it appear. So this is my another profile. Here I see one people tag me. Okay, here is the one tag option. So if you want to see who tag you, okay, then you have to click on this option. Okay, then you will see this tagged you in a photo. This option will come from here. If you want to, you will if you click on the post, you will see that this option will come, you approve or not. So if you want to show in profile, then you have to click on show in profile. If you want to remove, then you just remove me from the post. Then this post will not show to your phone, to your Instagram profile. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.